Gonna be playing Among Us with no sound. Yes, no sound at all. Just no sound. Yes, no sound. Oh, it feels so weird. Oh yeah, this is the weirdest thing ever. I'm playing with no sound. Alright, so I'm imposter. I don't know, man. I don't know. I changed my outfit. I thought it would make me imposter more. But it clearly doesn't work. Of course, yes, I'm a crewmate. Great. What the heck is your username, Brown? Oh wait, I forgot. Banana poofed. Banana poofed. It's banana. It's banana, bro. Just do it. The pink is not the imposter. The pink is not the imposter. Alright, banana, no. Banana knows. Banana knows. Banana cleared me since he is imposter. So yes, I am clear now. I have trash. No, let me tell them. Alright, let's go. Boom. Ba. The thing goes bum bum bum. E bum 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 bum. Woo! That was kind of fast. Meh. Oh, someone's on cams. Na 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 na. What am I doing? Whee! Oh, come here. White, come here. I have trash. Okay. White's already dead? Mmm. 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 If I cheese it, I'm just gonna cheese it. Can't scan without anyone looking. I have a scan. Who the heck voted me? If you voted me, I'm gonna come to your house and tickle. Act like I didn't say anything. Ba-dip. We have to go. Oh wait, it's done. I'm just gonna do my scan. They already saw me. Just in case I scanned. Someone see me do trash. Watch me do trash. Why is the discussion time so long? Oh, I'm back. Oh, just started. Alright, G. Come over here, guys. Blue, I trust you. Blue already saw me. Are you kidding me? Let me do. I can't breathe. Oh my god. Whew. Purple is safe. Here we go. Why? Rose faked. The bar didn't go up. I was sus of Rose. I thought she vented for a second. Girl. We're not girls, we're boys, bro. We're boys. Bro, literally, nobody in here is a girl. We're all boys except you, buddy. Sorry if you're watching this, Marche. Oh, ba-ba-boo, ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-boo. I didn't complete it, but see ya, na. Not Cyan, Rose. They didn't let me type. Michelle was an imposter. We won. Yeah, we won.